It's got a little windy out here. We're just making a move out on the farm, getting things cleaned up. Got all this brush to clean up. We're on a mission. We're going. We're rolling. Got homie General Big Man out there. Where's he at? Let's see. Zoomed in too much. Sheesh. About to pull up in the Denali. Homie Isaiah's new truck. Damn, this fucker's pimp. I'm loving it. This truck is gangster. This headache rack is nice. It's looking good. What up, puppy? How's it going, buddy? Yeah, you good dog. Yeah, you already know. Getting her done. A lot of work going on around here. Nice and easy. Getting her done. Old 6.5 turbo diesel. Oh, this thing is bad. Oh, I need to buy me another one. What do you guys think? Should I buy another one? I'm gonna buy another one. Why not? I should get me a good dog too. Like this one. Yeah, you're a good dog. Sheesh, cleaning it up. It's windy out here. Look at those mountains, so beautiful. Look at that view. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Fucking it up. He's getting nervous. Must be camera shy. Who is it? Look at this guy. Sheesh. Getting her done. And on the way. Yeah.